Just outside Ghent, Belgium, there's a new state-of-the-art research site for climate-robust plants. It's Europe's largest infrastructure for root phenotyping using electrical resistivity tomography. 6 fields totaling more than 8,000 square meters are each equipped with a movable rainout shelter, and there's a network of nearly 1,400 electrodes installed both above and below ground. Researchers from Flanders Research Institute for Agriculture, Fisheries and Food, ILVO, study how plants respond to the drought and salinization caused by climate change. Their new lab, this field-scale installation for high-throughput field phenotyping. Above ground, the scientists draw on their extensive expertise with drones, sensor technology, image analysis, and computer modeling. They map precisely what happens to the plants when they're exposed to heat and drought stress. Hidden in the soil and within this electrical cabinet is the truly groundbreaking aspect of this installation. The electrical resistivity tomography, or ERT system, continuously measures electrical conductivity in the soil. Using more than 400 electrodes per field, the researchers can generate a 2D soil resistivity profile down to 2 meters at a resolution of 10 centimeters. By linking that data to computer models, researchers can visualize what the roots are doing without having to disturb the crop. This combination of technologies on such a large scale is unique in Europe, and it's open access for all knowledge institutions and interested companies. The government of Flanders is investing 1.5 million euros in this project to help farmers and their suppliers stay productive, even during the weather extremes caused by climate change.